Hello everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Karajagi Orchid School. Dear students, in our last session we have seen how to do the addition and subtraction of money. Now today we are going to see how to do the multiplication of money. So open your textbook page number 42. Look at the board here. Multiplication of money. Multiplication of money is similar to multiplication of ordinary numbers. How we have done the multiplication of ordinary numbers, in the same way only we have to do the multiplication of money. You only have to remember to put the point or dot at the proper place in the product. Okay, after multiplication whatever product we will get, means whatever answer we will get, in that only the thing is you have to give a dot or point at the proper place. Okay, so in the same way only how we have done in the ordinary numbers, multiplication of ordinary numbers, in the same way only we are going to do the multiplication of money. So let us take one example. See here, a ballpoint pen cost rupees 25.50. What is the cost of 5 ballpoint pens? See here, the cost of one pen is rupees 25.50. And we have to find out the cost of 5 pens. Okay, cost of one pen is rupees 25.50. So what is the cost of 5 ball pens? Okay, so here we have to do the multiplication. So look at the board. Cost of 5 ball pen is equal to 25.50 into 5. First of all, what you have to do? Just you have to multiply, that is 2550. Okay, forget this point. First of all, while doing the multiplication you have to multiply that 2550 into 5. Okay, as you normally do. Then in the product put the dot before the second digit from the right. Whatever answer we will get after multiplication, in that only we have to put a dot before the second digit. Okay, so here let us do the multiplication. See here, rupees 25.50 into 5. Okay, so here 5 into 0, 5 into 0, 0, 5 5s are 25. So here we will write 5 and we will give 2 as a carry. Okay, then 5 into 5, see here 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27. So here we will write 7 and 2 as a carry. Then 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. So here we got the answer. See here, whatever answer we got, in that we have to give now point. Where will you give point? See here, see this amount 25.50. From the right side you have to count how many digits are there. From the right side means from this side you have to count how many digits are there. Here see 1 2 digits are there. Okay, so before second digit point is there. So in the answer also from the right side before second digit we have to give point. Okay, so in this way you have to solve the multiplication of money. So let us start the exercise 3.6. Open your textbook along with me. You have to solve the sums in your textbook. Look at the board here. Question A, multiply. Rupees 9.15 into 5. Rupees 9.15 into 5. See here, now while doing the multiplication, forget this point. While doing the multiplication you have to forget this point or dot. Just you have to do the multiplication of 915 into 5. Okay, so let us do the multiplication. 5 5s are, yes, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. So we'll write here 5. at ones place. Then we will give 2 as a carry to the next place. Then here 5 into 1. See here 5 into 1. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. Then this carry we have to add. 5 plus 2 7. So we'll write here 7. Okay. Now we'll do the multiplication of 5 and 9. 5 nines are, yes, 5 nines are 45. So here we will write 45. Now it's time to give a dot. Where will you give dot? Yes, see this number, see this amount 9.15. Okay. Now in this 9.15, from the right side you have to count how many digits are there. 1 2. See here, before second digit point is there or dot is there. Okay. So in the answer also we have to give a dot before second digit from the right. So from the right, which is the second digit? 7. So before 7 we have to give dot. Okay. What you have to do? From the right side, before second digit you have to give a dot. Okay. So in this way here we got the answer 45.75 rupees. 45.75. Clear? Okay. Now we'll move to the second example. See here, rupees 16.15 into 4. Rupees 16.15 into 4. Now start from the ones place. Here 4 into 5. 4 5s are, yes, 4 5s are 20. So here we'll write 0 and 2 as a carry. Then do the multiplication. 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. So here we'll write 6. Then we'll move to the next place. 4 into 6 we have to do. Okay. 4 into 6. 4 6 are 24. So what you are going to write here? 4 and 2 as a carry to the next place. Then what is remaining? Here 1 is remaining. So 4 ones are 4 plus 2, 6. So here we'll write 6. And now we have to give a dot. Where will you give dot? From the right side, before second digit. 1 2. This is the second digit from the right side. So here before 6 we have to give point. So what is the answer? Rupees 64.60. Rupees 64.60. Okay. Okay. Now we'll move to the third example. Look at the board here. Rupees 23.80 into 9. What you will do? Yes, 9 into 0. 9 into 0, 0. Correct. Because we have seen one of the property in the multiplication lesson that if we will multiply by 0 to any number, then we will get the product 0 only. So 0 into 9, 0. Okay. Then we will move to the next place. 9 into 8. 9 8s are, yes, 9 8s are 72. So what we will write here? 2 and 7 as a carry. Then next 9 into 3. Okay. 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27. Now in 27 we have to add this 7. So 27 plus 7. Do the addition. 27 plus 7, 34. Correct. So we'll write here 4 and 3 as a carry. Then 9 into 2 we have to do. Okay. 9 into 2. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 3. Yes. 18 plus 3, 21. Correct. So here we'll write 21. Now we have to give a dot. Where will you give dot? From the right side before second digit. From the right side before second digit. First second. This is the second digit. Before second digit we have to give dot. So here we will give a dot. So what is the answer? Rupees 214.20. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now see the next example, that is fourth one. Rupees 32.25 into 5. Do the multiplication. While doing the multiplication, forget the point and do the simple multiplication. Yes. 5 into 5. 5 into 5. 25. Correct. So here we'll write 5 and then 2 as a carry. Then 5 to the 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So what we will write here? 2 and 1 as a carry. Then 5 into 2. 5 to the 10. 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1, 11. So here we will write 1 and 1 as a carry. Then what is remaining? 5 into 3. 5 3 is a 15. 15 plus 1. This carry also you have to add. So 5 3 is a 15 plus 1, 16. So write here 16. Okay. Now it's time to give a dot. Where will you give dot? From the right side. Yes. Say from the right side before second digit. From the right side before second digit we have to give a dot. So here from the right side this is the second digit. So before second digit means before 2 we have to give a dot. So what is the answer? Rupees 161.25. Okay, clear? Understood? Okay. Now see this fifth example. Rupees 56.10 into 4. Rupees 56.10 into 4. Now start from the ones place here. 4 into 0. 4 into 0, 0. Then 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4. Then 4 into 6. Yes, 4 6 are 24. Correct. So here we'll write 4 and 2 as a carry. Then 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. In 20 we have to add this 2. So 20 plus 2, 22. Here we'll write 22. Okay. Now we have to give a dot. Where will you give dot? Yes. Say from the right side before second digit. From the right side before second digit we have to give dot. Now from the right side which one is the second digit? This 4 is the second digit. So before 4 we have to give dot. So what is the answer? Rupees 224.40. What is the answer? Rupees 224.40. Okay, clear? Okay. Now we'll move to the next example. See the next example. 23.15 into 7. 23.15 into 7. Okay. Now start from the ones place here. 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. So here we'll write 5 and 3 as a carry. Then 7 into 1. 7 ones are 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3, 10. So here we'll give 0 and 1 as a carry. Then 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1, 22. So here we'll write 2 and 2 as a carry. Then 7 2s are 14 plus 2. 14 plus 2, 16. Correct. So here we'll write 16. Now we have to give a dot. So where will you give dot? From the right side before second digit. From the right side before second digit. So first second, this 0 is the second digit. So before 0 we have to give dot. So what is the answer? Rupees 162.5 paise. Okay, clear? This will be your answer. Now we'll move to the next example, that is 7th number. See the 7th number, rupees 48.75 into 6. Yes, do the multiplication. 6 into 5. 6 5s are, yes, 6 5s are 30. So here we'll write 0 and 3 as a carry. Then 6 into 7. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3. 42 plus 3, 45. So here we'll write 5 and 4 as a carry. Then 6 into 8. 6 8s are, Yes, 6 8 are 48. 48 plus 4. 48 plus 4, 52. So here we'll write 2 and 5 as a carry. Then last 4 into 6. 6 4s are, yes, 24. 24 plus 5. This 5 we have to add. So 24 plus 5, 29. So write here 29. Now give the dot. Where will you give dot? Yes, where will you give dot? From the right side before second digit we have to give dot. Before second digit we have to give dot. So which one is the second digit from the right side? Yes, 5 is the second digit. From the right side 5 is the second digit. So before 5 we have to give a dot. So what is the answer? Rupees 292.50. Rupees 292.50. Okay. Okay. Now we'll move to the next example, that is 8th one. See here. Rupees 32 into 7. Rupees 32 into 7. See here, 7 into 0, 0. Again 7 into 0, 0. Then 7 to the 14. So we'll write here 4 and 1 as a carry. Then 7 into 3. 7 3 is a 21. 21 plus 1. This carry we have to add. Okay, all the times you have to keep in your mind. Carry we have to add. So 7 3 is a 21 plus 1, 22. So here we'll write 22. Now we have to give a dot from the right side. See here, this is our right side. From the right side before second digit we have to give dot. So what is the answer? Rupees 224. This is your answer. Clear? This 8th example. Okay, shall we move to the next example? 9th one. Okay, see here, read the amount. Rupees 18.60 into 4. Rupees 18.60 into 4. Yes, start the multiplication. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 6, 4 6 are, yes, 4 6 are 24. So write here 4 and give it 2 as a carry. Then 4 8s are, yes, 4 8s are 32. In 32 we have to add 2. 32 plus 2, 34. So here we'll write 4 and 3 as a carry. Then 4 into 1. 4 1s are 4 plus 3. 4 1s are 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. So write here 7. Okay. Now give a dot. Yes, where will you give? From the right side. Which one is the second digit? This 4 is the second digit. So before 4 we have to give dot. So the answer is rupees 74.40. Yes, what is the answer? Rupees 74.40. Understood? Okay. Okay. Now see the next example. Rupees 24.85 into 9. Rupees 24.85 into 9. Yes, 9 into 5. 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45. So what we will write here? 5 and 4 as a carry. Then 9 into 8. 9 8s are 72. In 72 we have to add 4 because here carry is there. 4 is carry. Okay, so in 72 we have to add 4. 72 plus 4, 76. So what you are going to write here? 6 and 7 as a carry. Then 9 into 4. 9 4s are 36. Okay, so in 36 we have to add 7. So after 36 count your 7 fingers. Yes, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. So here we will write 3 and 4 as a carry. Then 9 into 2. 9 2s are 18. In 18 we have to add 4. 18 plus 4. Yes, after 18 count your 4 fingers. 22. So write here 22. 2. Now give a dot from the right side. 6 is the second digit, so before 6 we have to give dot. So what is the answer? Rupees 223.65. This is your answer. Okay, clear this 10th example? Okay, now we'll move to the next example, that is 11th number. Rupees 35.25 into 6. Rupees 35 into 25. Rupees 35.25 into 6. Okay, start from the ones place here from the right side. 6 into 5, 6 5s are 30. So here we'll write 0 and 3 as a carry. Then 6 into 2, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3, 15, correct. So here we will write 5 and 1 we will give as a carry to the next place. Then 6 into 5, 6 5s are, yes, again 6 5s are 30 plus 1, 31. So here we will write 1 and 3 as a carry. Then 6 into 3 we have to do. 6 3s are 18 plus 3, 18 plus 3, 19, 20, 21. So here we will write 21. Now give a dot from the right side before second digit. 1 2, this 5 is the second digit from the right side, so before 5 we have to give dot. So what is the answer? Rupees 211.50. What is the answer? Rupees 211.50. Clear? Okay, now we'll move to the 12th number example. Read this. Rupees 45.35 into 5. 5 5s are, yes, 5 5s are 25. So here we'll write 5 and 2 as a carry. Then 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 15 plus 2, 17. So here we'll write 7 and 1 as a carry. Okay, then 5 into 5 we have to do. 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26. So here we'll write 6 and 2 as a carry. Then 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22, correct. So write here 22. Now give a dot from the right side before second digit. From the right side before second digit. So 7 is the second digit. Before 7 we have to give dot. So what is the answer? Rupees 26.75. Rupees 26.75. Okay. Okay. Now we'll move to the next example, that is 13 number. Rupees 54.25 into 5. Do the multiplication. 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25. So here we will write 5 and 2 as a carry. Then what we will do? 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 12. So here we will write 2 and 1 will give as a carry. Then you have to do 5 into 4, that is 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1, 20 plus 1, 21. Okay, so here we'll write 1 and 2 as a carry. Then you have to do 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27. So write here 27. Now give a dot before second digit from the right side before second digit. So 2 is the second digit from the right side, so before 2 we have to give dot. So what is the answer? Rupees 271.25. correct. What is the answer? Rupees 271.25. okay, clear? Okay, now we'll move to the next example, that is 14th number. See here, rupees 43.50 into 4. Rupees 43.50 into 4. 4 into 0. 4 into 0, 0. So write here 0. Okay. Next, what we will do? 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. So here we will write 0 and 2 as a carry. Then next, 4 into 3 we have to do. Okay. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. In 12 we have to add 2. 12 plus 2, 14. So here we'll write 4 and 1 as a carry. Okay. Next, what you are going to do? 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. In 16 we have to add 1. So 16 plus 1, 17. So write here 17. Okay. Now give a dot. Yes, from the right side before second digit. So before this 0 we have to give dot. Now read the answer. What is the answer? Rupees 174. Rupees 174. Okay, clear? Okay. Now see the next example. Read the example. Read the value. Rupees 29.25 into 7. Rupees 29.25 into 7. Okay. Now 7 into 5 you have to do. 7 5s are, yes, 7 5s are 35. So write here 5 and 3 as a carry. Then what you are going to do? 7 into 2. 7 2s are, say the table of 7. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 3. In 14 you have to add 3 fingers. 14 plus 3, 17. So write here 17. 17 means 1 10 and 7 1. So here we'll write 7 and 1 as a carry. Okay. Next, 7 9s are, yes, 7 9s are, yes, 63. Okay. So 63 plus 1. 63 plus 1, 64. So here we'll write 4. Sorry, we'll write here 4 and 6 as a carry. Okay. Then 7 2s are 14 plus 2, 14 plus 6, 14 plus 6, 20. So write here 20. Now give a dot. Where will you give dot? Okay. Then before second digit, from the right side, before second digit. So before 7 we have to give a dot. So what is the answer? Rupees 204.75. What is the answer? Rupees 204.75. Okay, clear? Okay. Now see the next example. Rupees 17.75 into 8. 8 5s are, yes, 40. So write here 0 and 4 as a carry. Then 8 into 7. Say the table of 8. Yes, 56. 56 plus 4, 60. So here we'll write 0 and 6 as a carry. Then again 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 6, yes, 62. So write here 2 and 6 as a carry. Then 8 1s are 8 plus 6, 14. So write here 14 and give a dot before second digit from the right side. So what is the answer? Rupees 142. What is the answer? Rupees 142. Okay. Now see the next example, that is rupees 38.45 into 7. 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. So write here 35 and 3 as a carry. Then 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 3, 31. So write here 1 and 3 carry. Next, 7 into 8. Say the table of 7 till 8. 56. 56 plus 3, yes, 59. So here we'll write 9 and 5 as a carry. Then 7 3s are 21 plus 5, 26. Now before second digit we have to give dot from the right side. So before 1 we will give a dot. So what is the answer? Rupees 269.15. Okay. Okay. Now next example, rupees 46.55 into 9. 9 5s are 45. So here we'll write 5 and 4 as a carry. Again 9 5s are 45 plus 4, 49. So write here 9 and 4 as a carry. Then 9 into 6. 54. 54 plus 4, 58. So write here 8 and 5 will be carry. Then 9 into 4. 36. 36 plus 5, 41. 36 plus 5, 41. So write here 41 and give a dot. So what is the answer? Rupees 418.95. What is the answer? 418.95. Okay. Now next example, rupees 31.65 into 5. Do the multiplication. 5 5s are 25. So here we'll write 5 and 2 as a carry. Then 5 6 are 30 plus 2, 32. So write here 2 and give 3 as a carry. Then 5 1s are 5 plus 3, 8. So write here 8. Then 5 3s are 15. Now give a dot before second digit from the right side. So before 2 we have to give dot. So what is the answer? 158.25. Now one more example we will take, that is 20 number. Rupees 42.30 into 8. 8 into 0, 0. Then 8 3s are 24. So write here 4 and 2 as a carry. Then 8 2s are 16 plus 2, 18. So write here 8 and 1 carry. Then 8 4s are 32 plus 1, 33. Now you have to give a dot from the right side before second digit. So which one is the second digit? 4 is the second digit from the right side. So before 4 we have to give dot. So read the answer, rupees 338.40. Okay. So in this way we have seen the question number A, 20 sums. Okay. In the similar way only you have to solve question number B. In the next session we will see the next part. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.